Welcome to another video with Mathemasoft. Today is the continuation of Jamb/Utme past questions. So question number 12 should actually be a bonus for you if you do see a question like this in your Jamb examination. So let's quickly attend to this question. Okay, all that they want us to do is just to multiply this by this. Okay, so it's just for us to multiply through. So we can write x squared plus x plus 1, okay, x squared minus x plus 1. So this is a question under polynomial, okay, and this is multiplication. So we can say that this multiply this, that's x raised power 4, x squared times minus x will give me minus x raised power 3, x squared times 1 will give me plus x squared. So the next thing for us to use to multiply is plus x. Plus x times this, that will be x cubed minus x squared, that's x times this. X times 1 now will give me plus x. So 1 will also multiply. 1 times x squared will give me x squared. 1 times minus x will give me minus x. 1 times 1 will give me 1. So let's try to look for like terms around there. We have just 1 x raised power 4. But here we have minus x raised power 3 plus x raised power 3. That cancel out. Okay. I also have plus x squared minus x squared. That also cancel out. I also have plus x minus x. That also cancel out. So after this x raised power 4, the next thing that we have here is plus x squared plus 1. So I have x raised power 4 plus x squared plus 1. So let's check our option. B, x raised power 4 plus x squared plus 1. So that would be the correct answer for question number 12. So let's move on to question number 13, which is also under polynomial. And here they ask us to find the remainder when this is divided by x plus 3. So this is very simple. In one of the questions I've treated in the past videos, we have done something even much more complex than this. So this should be just very short and straightforward. Okay, so we have the f of x, 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 11x plus 4. So the divisor here is actually x plus 3. So let's find the zero of it. So that will be x plus 3 equals to 0, x equals to minus 3. So we can now have what? F of minus 3, because this will actually be the one that will give us remainder. This is what we do using remainder theorem. So this is what remainder theorem says. If you put this in the word polynomial, whatever you get is actually your remainder. So let's do that now. 3x raised power 3, so that will be 3 brackets minus 3 cubed, so that's our x now, plus 5 bracket minus 3 square minus 11 bracket minus 3 plus 4. Okay, so let's use the space here. So we have 3. This will result to what? Negative, because the power is actually what? Odd number. So that will be minus 27 plus 5 minus 3 square will give us what? 9 minus 3 times minus 11 rather times minus 3. That will be plus 33 plus 4. Okay, so this will give us minus 81 plus 45 plus 33 plus 4. So let's try to deal with the positive against the negative. So 45 plus this, you can use your calculator if you have access to your calculator anyway. So 75, 78, okay, 82. That will be plus 82, and that should be plus 1. So the answer should be what? 1. Minus 81 plus 82 will give me 1. So checking my option, the correct option will be what? C. C is the correct option because that's where I have what? My answer, which is what? 1. All right, so you can see this is very straightforward. It's a very simple question. So in this question number 14, we also have a division under polynomial, okay, and we can actually use this approach to do this. So that will be 2x minus 1 divisor and 6x squared minus 13x plus 5, okay. This is 13, okay. So that's what they want us to do. We are to divide this, and of course it means that what they want us to bring out the quotient. So whatever we get is what we are going to have in the what option as our correct what answer. So dividing this, I'm going to take this 6x squared divided by 2x. So that will give me 3. This will give me x. So the answer will be what? 3x. So I will have 3x here. Now this 3x, I will use it to multiply what I have here. So I'm doing 3x times 2x minus 1. So that will give me 6x squared minus 3x. So that will come here, 6x squared minus 3x. Okay, and then you subtract it. Subtracting this will be 6x squared minus 6x squared. So that will be 0. Then I have minus 13x. Just follow it carefully. Minus 13x minus 3x. So that's minus 13x minus 3x. So this will give me minus 13x plus 3x, which will result to what? Minus 10x. So minus 10x, and this constant, which has no constant to subtract, will come down. That's like saying 5 minus 0, which will give me 5. So I can still divide this. So I will still take minus 10x, that's the term in x, divided by what? 2x again. Okay, so x cancel x this time. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So that will be, the answer will be minus 5. So since I'm getting minus 5, I will write it. This is what I get, minus 5. Minus 5 times 2x, that's minus 10x. Minus 5 times minus 1, that will give me plus what? 5. So subtracting this again will give me minus 10x minus minus 10x. That will be minus 10x plus 10x. That will be 0. And I will also have 5 minus 5. That will also be 0. So I'm going to have 0, 0. So the answer I do have here is what? 3x, which is this. We call it quotient. Okay. This is your quotient. Okay. This is called divisor. This is called polynomial. And this is called your remainder. So you must be able to identify these 4 in a polynomial. So our answer is 3x minus 3. So let's check. 3x minus 5 rather. Sorry. Our answer is 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. D will be the correct word. Answer 3x minus 5. Okay. So I've come to the end of this video. Please share this video for other students to benefit from. Do turn on the notification bell and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. God bless you. I wish you all the very best in your examination. Bye for now.